Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday directions video. Pretty simple day today. Just looking at the Mongols once again. So we're just going to watch the video here. The video guides right here. If you want to just answer the questions here, just make sure to file and then make a copy. And then you can just type your answers right here if you want. If you want to just answer these questions on a separate piece of paper and turn it in, you guys know the drill. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it. There's only like 8 questions, so should be pretty simple. Should be relatively entertaining. The Mongols are absolutely crazy and fun to look at. So, yep, just watching the video today and then answering these questions, and you should be good to go. Email me if you have any questions on any of this stuff, or with any missing assignments. Make sure you get those wrapped up and turned in as quick as you can. But this is our day today, just watching this video. Talk to you guys later. Have a good Tuesday.